Hello. Are you competing in the Pokemon Championship?
Yes, I am competing. I am going to put on my strongest Pokemon. See you tomorrow.
Hi.
I did not know I will be battling you first. Good luck. I choose you Dark Main Neurozome.
Wow. I choose you Charizard. Go.
Is this going to end?
No idea.
Woohoo. I won. Go back to your ball, Dark Main
Aw
Neurozome.
man. Go back into your ball, Charizard. Good match. Hope to battle you again in the future.
Same too.
Bye.
Bye. I am going to the next match. Hello champion. Congratulations on winning the Pokemon Championship. Here is your badge and trophy.